Hi everybody, welcome again to Champion Trading Corp. What we're demonstrating for you today, this is a multi-lane accumulation table. It's operating on 120 volt single phase power. It is about 36 by 60 inches long in the complete working length of the table. We're operating right now on 120 volt. You'll notice here there's a dead plate, so a conveyor more than likely paralleled here in its original installation, allowing this to operate as a surge table. So it would just pick up any backlog that's on the conveyor and allow it to sit and idle here till the rest of the line can accept it. The unit can also be made into a multi-lane accumulator. You'll see the shaft operating right there. If that shaft was extended to match this drive system, and then of course accordingly loosen and tighten the drive sprockets that appear on each end of the shaft to pull the tabletop chain through, and you'd have a multi-lane accumulator. It's operating like we said on 120 volt with a DC controller right here, so you have a full range of variable speed. We have lots of accumulators in our stock, both random, rotary, and everything else in packaging and processing for mostly the sanitary industries. We do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com, and we certainly look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us for this video today.